In any workplace, safety is more than a priority. It's a commitment to your employees' well-being. One crucial step in this commitment is the creation of a first aid policy. Your first aid policy sets the foundation for a safer and a more prepared workplace. It outlines the standards, procedures, and responsibilities for first aid in your organization. Here are the key elements to consider when creating your policy. So designate a first aid coordinator, assess workplace risks and first aid needs, select and stock first aid equipment, identify and train first aiders. Your first aid policy is a collaborative effort, involves your management, HR, and your employees. It's about training your first aiders, educating your workforce, and ensuring everyone knows their roles in an emergency. Once your policy is in place, it's a commitment to safety. Invest in the safety and well-being of your workplace. Create your first aid policy now.